Hey there, are you ready to take your bathroom experience to the next level? Whether you're looking for superior cleanliness, eco-friendliness, or just a little extra comfort, a bidet can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best bidets that will transform your bathroom routine. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Toto Washlet C2. Toto's Washlet C2 is considered its entry-level bidet, but it still has several customizable features for your comfort that make it our best overall pick. For example, you can change the water temperature and volume, seat temperature, air dry settings, and water spray settings. The C2's wand is designed for rear and front cleansing and has an auto-clean function. Plus, the dryer has 3 different temperature settings, which is good for those who are more sensitive to heat. Next up, we have the SmartBidet SB-100R. The SB-100R by SmartBidet is the lowest priced bidet with the most features that we found in our research, making it our best budget pick. Users don't have to sacrifice many features just because they're paying less. It has both back and front wash settings, with a more delicate wash for the front and a stronger wash for the back. The seat also senses when someone is using it, and you just need to sit down to activate the bidet. A handheld remote allows you to customize the seat and water temperature, nozzle position, and wash pressure. Your preferences can also be programmed and set as the default. One thing that is missing is an air dryer, which means you might need to pat dry using toilet paper or a towel. Despite that feature, this model provides a good value for the price. Moving on to our third pick, the Kohler PureWash M250. Kohler manufactures some of the best toilets on the market, so it's no surprise that the brand also made its way onto our list of best bidets. Kohler's non-electric PureWash M250 allows you to adjust the spray position and water pressure with one easy-to-grip handle. But what makes this bidet seat unique is that it comes with 3 nozzles that you can easily attach to the self-cleaning wand. Each nozzle provides a different spray intensity. That means instead of being stuck with a nozzle that's too weak or too powerful, Kohler's bidet seat allows you to choose the one that's just right for your body. This low-profile seat features a quiet close lid, as well as a quick release functionality that allows you to quickly and easily remove the seat for thorough cleaning. It features quick attach hardware for fast and secure installation, including color-matched plastic hinges for a completely seamless look. Our fourth pick is the Bidet by Bemis Essential Bidet Attachment. While the Bidet by Bemis Essential Bidet doesn't have the bells and whistles of other models on our list, it's a reasonably priced, streamlined product that's easy to install and use. Plus, it offers nozzle adjustment and a variety of water pressure options. We found the instructions clear and easy to follow. We only needed a wrench, and no electrical outlet was necessary, so this bidet can accommodate any toilet. The model includes a rear wash, front wash, and various spray strengths, which you can adjust with the easy-to-turn knob. Although this bidet exceeded our expectations, there were a few things worth noting. The pipe, which connects to the water source, felt a bit low quality and obtrusive in our bathroom, making the bidet less streamlined. The washer on the bidet also began to drip slightly where it was attached to the toilet after a few months of regular use. While this is certainly a downside to consider before purchasing, we think we could easily fix it with a new washer. Last but certainly not least, we have the Bidet by Bemis toilet seat. Upgrading your bathroom with a bidet can seem intimidating, but the Bemis bidet seat takes the guesswork out of installation. The included instruction manual breaks the setup into easy, digestible steps, and we were able to install it in just 10 minutes. This bidet attachment also earned stellar ratings for its effectiveness. It left us feeling incredibly clean and performed better than other bidets we've tried. During real-world testing, we found it easy to use. With a handy remote you can attach to the wall to control the heated seat, drying function, water pressure, nozzle position, and water temperature. It heats the seat perfectly, providing a spa-like experience. That said, it did take some trial and error to find the right position and pressure level for our preferences. After 3 months of use, this bidet continues to improve our bathroom routine. This pick is excellent for those who want an elegant bathroom solution with bonus features like a soft close lid, heated seat, and plenty of customization options. Just note that it does require a power outlet. And there you have it, the top 5 best bidets. Don't forget to check the links in the description to learn more about each product and snag one for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which bidet you'd love to add to your bathroom. See you next time.